Now imagine being gone for months, coming back thinking things improved, and you see this. Corn, cream cheese, tomato, mayo, almond milk, and a whole bunch of cheese. Nothing changed. Same thing. Imagine being gone for that long and you come back to see the world is the same. Look at all that daggone cream. Oh my God. I see TikTokers are still trying to poison somebody with this nasty stuff. And girl, bake that thing some more. Oh, nasty. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Now she crushing chips in there. Now she crushing chips in it. And she just scooped it. You scooped it up. You about to eat it? I'm tired of y'all. And I just got back.